Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to restore account PIN if you lost access to your account. So in order to do this, you gotta click this I forgot my PIN option, and if you don't see it, you have to enter a random PIN basically into this field a couple of times. And then this icon will appear. Click on it, then click on it again, and then if you have a local account installed on your device or set up on your device, then you have to answer one of the 3 security questions that you prepared for yourself. And in case you can't do it, then afterwards you'll be able to regain access to your account by setting a new PIN code for yourself. And once you set a new PIN code for yourself, you'll be granted access to your device. But if you don't remember the answers to the security questions, you're gonna have to unfortunately reinstall Windows on your device. Now this will of course erase all data from your computer. But in such case, it's the only way. And if you need some help on your way with Windows reinstallation, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to reinstall Windows from USB. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you have a Microsoft account connected to your device, however, you just have to enter the password to your Microsoft account. If you forgot the password, just click right here, and then you're gonna receive a recovery key onto your email, and will be able to proceed with changing your password. So enter the password into this field, then press sign in. Then you're gonna have to verify your identity by receiving an email or an SMS, depending on whether you connected the email address or a phone number to your Microsoft account. Once you click this button, you will receive a code that you'll have to enter into this field. So enter this code right here, then click verify, and then click continue and set a new PIN for your account, and make sure that you remember it this time. Click OK, and after that you will be back on your desktop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.